Hello, beautiful souls. Today we are going to talk about the best uses for a Boppy pillow. You have these, you know how to use this for baby. So unless you're a first-time mom, and even if you are, you've been around the block, you've seen people, you know how to put this around your waist, sit down in the chair, and hold baby. And that can be while you're feeding with a bottle, while baby's nursing, sleeping, whatever the case might be for what applies to you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Boppy for yourself. It's a little bit of a tool for the baby, yes, to hold, but there's a way that you can use it to best care for your body while you're caring for your baby. You can do this traditional approach, but I'm going to show you a different way. I'm Dr. Sherry, orthopedic physical therapist, founder of Athletic Movement Clinic, and the founder of the Me Mission Mama Essentials program. So you're going to take the Boppy, you're actually going to put it around your back. You're going to put it here. So this chair has arms that are higher. It's a little different than if you're on a couch. You will find if you constantly sit with baby that you tend to sit there and you tend to let your pelvis go back like this and slouch. When you do that over and over, day after day, in a type of a chair like a couch, your body's going to get tired. You're going to start noticing some aches and pains in your low back. If you're feeling that, I want you to do this. Take your Boppy, put it behind you, and let that be the cushion. And even in this chair with the arms, if you have something similar, it's still cradling me. And it's like someone's hugging around my back and holding and giving a nice, wonderful support. We call this clinically just tactile, but it allows you to sit and let your body relax. That way you're not sitting and trying to hold yourself up the entire time. That becomes exhausting for your back muscles after a while, and it's one reason why you get backaches often, because carrying babies is not easy. You have to be strong. Use the Boppy this way and let yourself relax. Then you can hold baby and do whatever you might need. This also works in a rocking chair, depending on what kind of rocking chair or glider you have. Give it a try and stay strong, mama.